In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI in 2025. Before we dive in, make sure you already have the Grammarly web extension installed in your browser and that you're signed in. You'll know it's ready when you see the small G icon near your address bar. If you don't see it, open your browser's extensions menu and make sure the Grammarly icon is visible so you can access it quickly as you write across emails, documents, and web apps. With the extension ready, click the G icon in your browser's extensions area. This opens Grammarly's panel right on top of the page you're working on, so you don't have to switch tabs. You'll notice Grammarly is aware of the text field you're in, whether that's an email compose window, a document editor, or a social post. If you already have text on the page, it can use that context to give you smarter suggestions. Next, click on Use Superhuman Go. This is the AI workspace that unlocks the advanced features. Think of it as a command center where you can ask for help, get quick drafts, and refine your writing in seconds. When you open it, you'll see clear options for what this AI can do. From here, you can choose the option that matches your goal. If you're working with existing text, highlight the portion you want to improve first, then open Use Superhuman Go so it knows exactly what to transform. You can ask it to rewrite for clarity, simplify complex language, or make your message more concise. If you need a different vibe, adjust the tone to friendly, professional, confident, or something more neutral. For longer material, try Summarize to get a short, focused version. Starting from scratch? Type what you need, like a quick intro, a reply to a message, or an outline, and the AI will generate a draft you can insert and edit. A few pro tips help you get better results. Be specific about your goal and audience, like, make this sound professional but approachable. If length matters, mention short, medium, or detailed. Always scan the result for accuracy and personal touches before sending. Use the AI as a boost, then add your voice. If you don't love the first pass, ask it to revise again or refine tone until it fits. That's it. Have the Grammarly extension ready, click the G icon, then click Use Superhuman Go, and explore the options that fit your task. With these steps, you'll work faster, write clearer, and keep your message on point in 2025.